Okay, here we're gonna do. I'm gonna run this Furmark test. It's excuse me. No, I don't want to explain it. You probably know what it is. Let's see what happens here. I just did this a moment ago, and I got a crash, and I want to see if I can repeat that. Hang on a second. Here we go. Ooh, it's a lot of windows. Let's do it. Okay, what do we got? We're getting, excuse me. It says 18 frames per second. And it says that the core temperature is 65 degrees, 66 now. 67, 66, it stays around there. Which I don't think is very dangerous. It doesn't feel that hot when I put my hand here. It's a little warm. It's, you know, I've had much hotter laptops. I don't know if you can see it, but you're going to start seeing this flickering on the screen. You may not be able to see, but there's a little bit once in a while flickering on the bottom. It's probably going to get worse. Average 18 frames per second. Temperature is now 76 degrees. You can see the flickering. And I can really hear the fans now. I've never heard actually the computer get this loud, so it's something new. Still flickering, 77 degrees Celsius, and again, average frame rate is still 17. You know what? I just did this test about 2 minutes ago, and I was averaging 8 frames per second, so something very weird going on. There we go. Check this out. See? I don't know if you can see that, but they're actually like red vertical lines. Very frustrating. So there we go. At this point, nothing responds. I mean, like, let's say, for example, you want to do function, lower the brightness of the keyboard backlighting. Oh, that's weird. It is responding. Let's leave it off for a bit and see what happens. Okay, hold up a second here. Now we can check it out. Now the keyboard's not responding. Excuse me, when I use the function button to lower the brightness of the keyboard, it doesn't work anymore. So this is what I'm dealing with. I get this all the time, by the way, when I'm doing any kind of simple game. You know, you play Call of Duty Black Ops, freezes up. So there you have it. This is just another problem that I'm dealing with this machine, and unfortunately, it's very common. This time that I've spent online going to different websites where people discuss their issues, I've seen many owners complaining about the exact same problems that I've experienced with this machine. Whether it's the freezing like you see here. No, this I'd call the crash. You know, red screen of death, blue screen, whatever you want to call it. I also had the freezing issue, which was caused by the creative software that comes preloaded on the machine, which allows it to manipulate the subwoofer and the speakers. When I uninstalled that, the freezing stopped, but I still get crashes like this, and there's also sound issues. You lose functionality with the speakers and subwoofer when you uninstall the creative software suite that comes with the computer. And I also have issues plugging in external microphone to the port here, and I'm not some you know, I'm not unfamiliar with computers. I'm pretty good with computers, at least with software and all that stuff. It's not an issue of me not knowing how to navigate control panel. I'll tell you that. Okay, anyways, that's it for now.